Artificial intelligence is having a strong impact in many sectors, and one of the most powerful tools is Microsoft's Copilot. Integrated with Power BI, Copilot leverages OpenAI's GPT-4 to revolutionize data analytics. Microsoft Copilot automates routine and complex tasks in data analysis, making it accessible to everyone. Let's see how it works in Power BI. Imagine you need a comprehensive sales report. You simply tell Copilot, generate a sales report showing total sales, average sales per region, and sales trends over the past year. In seconds, Copilot analyzes your data and creates an interactive report with detailed visualizations. You can then ask Copilot analytical questions. For example, you can ask, what are the top 3 products by sales in each region for the last quarter? Copilot generates the visualization instantly, providing detailed insights. Not only that, but Copilot can also help you create complex calculations from natural language instructions. For example, you could say, calculate the year-over-year growth rate for each product category, and Copilot will generate the formula and visualization for you. This frees you from manual coding, allowing you to focus on interpreting the data. Do you need to match the report style with others? Then tell Copilot, make this report look like the quarterly financial report. And Copilot quickly adapts the look and feel, ensuring consistency across your documents. With Copilot, data interaction becomes intuitive. It suggests visualizations, optimizes queries, and automates repetitive tasks, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. As AI continues to evolve, Microsoft Copilot stands at the forefront of transforming data analytics, empowering you to leverage your data with unprecedented efficiency and clarity. We invite you to learn more about BI Connector, a tool that can transform your data analysis journey, seamlessly integrating Oracle Fusion applications, OBIEE, OAC, and OAS with Power BI for a simpler, more intuitive experience. Embrace the future of data visualization today with BI Connector.